Welcome to GreenDialer-Creating. In this lesson, I am going to explain how to manage your schedules. I will go over creating a schedule, editing a schedule, and deleting a schedule. If you're creating a schedule, we recommend that you create a schedule name that is meaningful for the time set you are programming. For instance, if you want to make a schedule that runs from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, then you should name your schedules something such as M through F, 9 to 9 Eastern Time. And I'm going to do that right here on the screen. Now, to program your time, your start and stop times in days, we want to make the schedule to be exactly what we're saying is a schedule name. This will make it easier for you when you go to schedule your campaign. So I'm going to uncheck Sunday, uncheck Saturday, and also keep in mind, schedules must be created going by Pacific Standard Time, which we have a time clock in the upper left-hand part of the server. So basically 9 to 9 Eastern Time would actually be 6 to 6 Pacific Time. So I'm going to set this to start at 6 a.m. Pacific Time. And I'm going to set it to stop at 6 p.m. Pacific Time, which would actually come out to equate to 9 to 9 Eastern Time. So now I'm going to save this schedule. And it says we have successfully created a schedule. Now, understand that schedules are just limited to specifying the days of the week along with start and stop times. The date range is handled when you schedule a campaign. There is a difference between a schedule and scheduling your campaign. In this lesson, we are covering schedules. We will have an additional lesson coming up where we discuss scheduling your campaign. If you need to edit your schedule, you can make changes to any existing schedules you have and edit your start and stop times as well as the schedule name by clicking on Edit Schedule. Now here I'll choose from the drop down that I want to edit M through F, 9 to 9 Eastern Time. Let's say I decided, you know what? I don't want to make a new schedule. I'm never going to use this one again. I actually just want to run 9 to 5. So I'm going to change the name to 9 to 5. But more importantly, I'm going to change the schedule to actually run from 9 to 5. And again, this is Eastern Time. So it's actually going to be from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Submit it. And I'm going to do every day of the week. I want you to get in the habit of getting used to when you make a change to follow through on everything and to double check it. So I'm going to go ahead and do all that right here. So you see I'm kind of going a little quick through each of the days. I'm going to go 6 to 2. Six to 2. If you ever wanted to disable a day after you've already created your initial schedule, you can do that just by setting your start time and your stop time to the same value and submitting the page. So this should complete it right here. So I've just done all the days of the week I've changed. So now I'm going to... Actually, you know, one thing I didn't do is I didn't submit this change over here. So 9 to 5. Say we want to edit this. I actually need to submit this. So I'm going to click submit. Now I've updated it. So let's check each of the days because I did do that. 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. for Tuesday. Wednesday is the same. Thursday is the same. Friday's the same. And Saturday's not set. Sunday's not set. So I have successfully verified that the schedule has been updated properly when I edited this. So it's now safe to use the schedule and it won't be confusing to you when you go to schedule your campaign from this link over here. It's not going to be confusing to you when you need to choose a schedule because you'll understand what the time settings are when you schedule your campaign. Now, the last step is to delete a schedule. And one of the rules we have is that you cannot delete a schedule if it is currently assigned anywhere on any of your campaigns. To check that, you could just use your main campaign's dashboard page, and you could see where your campaign schedules are set and what the values are. So if you want to delete 24/7, well, actually, why don't we choose new schedule for testing? This particular schedule, which is actually a bad name, by the way. That's not a good name for a schedule. But you see that it's only listed once. It's only listed one time here in the interface. So that is the live campaign's one docs campaign. So I'm going to switch to that campaign. And I'm going to come into the schedule. And I'm going to try to delete the schedule. It doesn't matter that I'm loaded into this campaign or not. It's actually deleting the schedule is more of a global command. So it's not, it doesn't have to be from this campaign to delete it. But I'm just going to click on delete schedule, and I want to delete new schedule for testing. And remember, I have not unassigned it from this campaign. You sure you want to delete the schedule? I'm going to say okay. And it's telling me that it's already assigned to 3 other campaigns. Now, just for your reference, we do a lot of testing on this dialer, so we have actually done some deletion. We've deleted some of these campaigns, so we actually won't be able to delete this schedule properly because we have some data in the background that is will prevent it. But if this was a normal circumstance for you, then this would be the only campaign you would see here. It would be live campaign 1. And you'd have to go into your schedule, and you just want to change it to a different schedule and hit submit, and come back to delete schedule. And we're going to try to delete the schedule again. There's still going to be 2 more campaigns assigned to it. Yeah, you still have these 2 campaigns assigned to it, which actually, let's check on the main page. I don't believe we have access to these campaigns anymore. We actually just took them out of our database in the back end. But in your situation, that campaign would have that schedule would have been deleted in this event. We would have had the ability to delete it after removing that assignment. So I just wanted to show you how the campaigns schedules are bound to the system, and how you can create them, edit them, and delete them. And this concludes this video.